Good morning, friends. How are you all? Welcome to my channel, Archie Chaudhary. I hope everybody is doing fine on this Wednesday morning. So, friends, we are hardly left out without much time. Diwali is right next day, and today I'll show you, friends, how to get a good bright face and get ready for Diwali and all the festivals coming now. All the nice occasions. Thanksgiving will be coming, but first is Diwali. So, friends, today I'll show you how you can cleanse up your face, and this is how my face looks when I wake up in the morning. And I've just brushed my hair little, and I've left my facial. I showed you the good benefits of pomegranates and its pomegranate seeds facial. So today I'll be showing you with the powder one, and this is how everything looks. So let's get started, friends. So first, you all know my first step is always cleansing up my face. I washed my face with water. So now I'm using only rose water, and I'll be cleansing all the dirt which is left out. So this is my first step all the times. So I like to use rose water all the times. It keeps my skin well and it gives a good hydration. So first thing is always clean your face, friends. You can use rose water if it suits you, or you can just wash it with any face wash. But after any facial, please don't use any soap, because that will give a more sagging skin and loose skin, so we don't want that. So just after cleansing, this is how it looks. And I also just applied some cream and all last night, so it's come out well. So this is very dirty now. So it's been cleaned well. I'm feeling I'll let it dry now. So how have you all been? I hope you all must be cleansing your house and getting ready for Diwali. So let this dry, friends. So it'll be I'm feeling so fresh already. So now we'll discard this one. And friends, when I was cleaning, this is my favorite thing which I found. It's my hairband. So I'll just put this and show you my facials, friend. So these are the pomegranate peels, and try to take as much as dark colored possible and leave out its waste. Like I have all left out all this kind of waste. We don't need this. So I'll be drying this under the sun, or I'll keep it for 4 or 5 days. So this is all the skins I could collect from 2 pomegranates, and now we'll dry it and I'll show you how the powder comes out after 3 or 4 days. The pomegranate pieces, I literally forgot, and I just started grinding. Then I said, oh no, I need to show it to my YouTube. So I'll grind this again. This is little bit pureed. It's okay, we need the puree and powder. So now I'm grinding it and making it into a powder. So here I've pureed it well, powdered it well. So I'm just trying to sieve it. So here I'm sieving it so well, and all the fat pieces again which are not grinded, I'll try to grind it again. I'll try to do once more the powder. So now I've grinded it well enough, and there are still some pieces, but I'll let them be and I'll thrash that or just use it. Yeah, there's one big chunk of here, but we'll just try to sieve it. I'm sieving it here very well. Here it is falling down. So this is what we need to see. I don't think my camera is pointing it right. Yeah, see the sieve falling down now. This is the powder which we need, the fine powder. This is the powder which we got, and it is so good. I'll store it now in a container and show you more. So this is all the powder which I could get, and now this is the crumbs of it. So this crumbs also can be used, but you'll have to keep it separately. When you're using it in milk or something, you can use this fat crumbs. So this is the fat crumbs which I'm storing it, and I'll use it again for some facial, and I'll show you. Storing the fine powder in one glass jar. This I use a lot, so it will be like my 7-8 month supply or 6 month supply. So here is the fat pieces which didn't get grinded well, and I just take half a spoon in this. Then this is the fine powder which we had got, and I stored it, and I told you it is my 6 month supply. So this I'm going to take only quarter spoon and put it in this container. So this is for scrubbing. I'm taking cold milk over here. Just it needs to get dissolved in it. Looks like very thick and nice. It needs to get absorbed little more so that we can only do scrubbing, and this is enough. And in the second bowl over here, I'm going to put a little aloe vera gel, like only so much, like 2 drops. That's more than enough. So now I'm adding a drop of I'm adding even a little olive oil, not much, just 2 spoons in this pack. So friends, I'm all ready with my hairband, and this will really protect me while cleaning. You don't know what and all you find in your old stuff. I'm so happy that I found this. And now friends, I've already showed you the crumbs which came from the pomegranates, which were very thick and they didn't get grinded well. This is the paste which I made. So it's very nicely done, and I have put only raw milk on this. With this we'll only do scrubbing. Scrubbing is so important, friends. If you scrub your face well with all these natural products, you yourself will find a nice glow on your skin. See the way I'm scrubbing. I'm scrubbing it so well, and with gentle hands. Scrub it in all over your face skin. It will give you such a good glow, and you know how much scrubbing soaps and scrubbing face washes costs. It's so expensive. And over here I've just used little powder and raw milk. So it's so good. I washed my face with the plain water. I didn't use hot water actually. I used only room temperature water. And this is how my face looks after scrubbing my face. And now friends, I mixed this mixture with olive oil and with the powder, fine powder, so and aloe vera gel. So I'll apply this right now, and this will be our last and final pack. And this is the fine powder which I got it in the pomegranates which I strained. So I showed you that process also. So easily at home when you eat something, the scrubs are so beneficial. Now I'll apply this pack, friends. So here I've just taken the fine powder and aloe vera gel and olive oil. Just see whatever oil suits you, put that oil in this fine paste. See friends how nicely it's getting scrubbed. I'm feeling so much glow already, and you have seen my face after I've washed. It is so beneficial. You all must try, and natural ingredients. So it's so good. So here's my after washing face. So, and this is my old apron which I found in my kitchen when I was deep cleaning. So I'm very happy that I have something to keep it in the front so that I always don't have a wet cloth on me when I'm talking over this. And this is how my face looks. And olive oil suited me so well today. And friends, if olive oil doesn't suit your skin, you can take almond oil. You can take ghee also, and you can take coconut virgin oil or any normal coconut oil. So everything suits my skin. So I just did this, and I'm feeling so fresh again, and skin becomes so soft. I'm not just saying it, I feel it, and when you do it, you will also feel. So try it out this, friends. So tomorrow is Diwali. I'll come with a nice Diwali makeup and nice Diwali dress. So keep watching, and thanks for watching today, and love you all. And friends, if you have liked it, like it, share it, and subscribe. And if you have any comments, please comment, and I'll get back to you. Bye. Love you all.